A delivery for Inspector Gadget.
It must be the new Gadget I ordered from World Inspector's Supply.
It's awfully big, Uncle Gadget. What did you order?
There it is. It's my new Gadget chronograph watch. It's shockproof, crushproof, insect repellent, and waterproof up to 100 meters.
Come on, Brain.
Chief, what a surprise. You're where? The styrofoam? Here's your assignment, Gadget. You know, I hope you won't mind me saying this, Chief, but you've put on a lot of weight lately. Have you thought about a diet?
Never mind that, Gadget. Read your assignment.
Cottage industry flooding market with dangerous novelty weapons. Suspect mad involvement. Investigate. Stop mad. Caution, this message will self-destruct. Right away, Chief. Inspector Gadget is always on duty.
Oh, no. Oh. Maybe I should go on a diet.
When you were my teacher, Renown, criminals were criminals.
You were always my favorite pupil,
Claw. Dr. Claw.
Of course, you weren't a doctor then. Just little Claw. I was still,
Less renown. Now about the old criminals.
Criminals? I trained the best. Got 'em here in my rest home, you know. The old bad guy's retirement home. And they're still the best. Like Sadie and Viola there.
Perfect. I have a job for them. A little gadget.
Oh, they'll be delighted. These folks need a hobby. Keeps them active.
I was just working on this gag for our new fall line. Do you like it, Mr. Craw?
That's Claw. Dr. Claw.
Did you say this gentleman has no family?
Almost no family. Alone in the world.
Oh, loneliness is a terrible thing. You're better off,
Resting in peace forever.
what did you say his name was?
Gadget. Inspector Gadget.
Of course, we'll need to go back to our house. I wanted to look in on the staff, and I do need to see Franklin after that nasty business in the cemetery.
Hello? Who? Sadie? A fan club? For me? Tea at your house? I'd love to. A nice young lady is starting a fan club for me. She invited me to tea.
Uncle Gadget, don't you think you should check into this first?
Nonsense, Penny. I have fans everywhere. They want to meet me, and I love tea.
You'd better follow him, Brain. This sounds strange to me.
Franklin is digging a grave. Such a dear boy.
He sure is. I'll just go downstairs and check on the girls. I'd better pick up a few items for our Inspector Gadget. Oh, let me have a bottle of that Kiss of Death perfume. I'll need some poisons and this electrical chicken. Oh, this nitroglycerin makes the nicest boom. see. A spring for the car seat. A trick crank for the car. They're good for so many things.
Right there, Franklin. Now we're ready for that nice Inspector Gizmo.
This must be it. Is anyone home? It's Inspector Gadget. Ow! Whoa! Wowzers! My new chronograph watch really is crush-proof.
Oh, Mr. Paget, we're such fans of yours.
That's Gadget, Inspector Gadget.
Of course, Inspector Gadget. I watch all your reruns.
I should say so. Why, who hasn't heard of the great Inspector Gadget? That's why we're starting a fan club.
Now, tell me what this fan club does.
We'll have tea and go on a picnic and have some dinner.
And then you'll have a nice long rest.
That's right. I've got some vacation time saved up. And how did you know?
Some dough? No, but I'll get some tea. This should be enough poison. The poor dear man needs a nice long rest.
Whoa. Oh.
Mr. Fidget, do you take anything in your tea?
No, this is lovely. Thank you so much.
Did you hire a maid, dear?
Paid? Of course we'll get paid. Dr. Crow is a man of honor.
It must be one of our ladies helping out.
My, this is such light tea.
You're trying to hurt Uncle Gadget? Dr. Craw? Are you sure she didn't say claw, Brain? I'll be right there, Brain.
There's plenty where these came from, so you can have as many as you want.
Next, we'll go to the park for an outdoor membership drive.
I love to drive.
Brain! something strange is going on inside? All right, Brain. You stay with Uncle Gadget, and I'll investigate. Kiss of death perfume? You dirty rat poison? Wow, strong stuff. It looks like Mad is making all sorts of strange weapons here.
Could you please crank it, Mr. Fidget?
My pleasure.
One spin of that crank and it's bye-bye, Gadget.
I'd better go speak with Franklin about Mr. Fidget's grave.
Wowzers! This watch is even spin-proof.
What a lovely grave, Franklin. Just make it an eensy bit bigger. Mr. Maggot is a big man. I do hope you didn't have any trouble with the crank. Sometimes it's a little testy.
It was no problem. Inspector Gadget is always on duty.
Now, tell me about yourself, Mr. Gizmo.
Well, I live with my niece.
You live down the road a piece. That crank has always done the trick before. But don't worry, I rigged up the ejector seat.
Whoa!
Phew.
Let's wait until we get to the bridge.
Bye-bye, Mr. Ratchet.
Go, go, Gadget, coat! You ought to get the shocks fixed on this car. I'm having a very bumpy ride.
So much for Plan B.
Huh?
got that order correct. You wanted a box of hand-painted torpedoes and one exploding pie.
Are all these ladies working for Dr. Claw? I'd better call Chief Quimby.
I just love this fan club. What are we going to do now?
I really think we should play a little game with Inspector Gadget before we eat.
Oh, yes, some blind man's bluff.
I love blind man's bluff. Let me be first.
Oh, no!
Yoo-hoo! Over here, Inspector.
Rousers!
This is the end of you, Gadget.
Go, Gadget Copter. Not Gadget Neck, Gadget Copter. You're under arrest. You tried to strangle me.
Oh, no. We almost did it.
Wait!
You, Inspector, it's time to go home.
I really must be getting back. I'm on duty, you know.
Must you be going so soon, dear Inspector? I could fix us a nice chicken for dinner.
Oh, yes, a last supper. We wouldn't want you to eat alone.
But I have a niece and...
Rest in peace? Yes, I suppose you will. Dinner will be ready soon.
Sit here and wait like a good boy, Inspector.
Gadget is alive.
Oh, Dr. Craw, how nice to see you.
That's Claw. Dr. Claw.
Did you enjoy the embroidered ammo belt we sent you on your birthday?
Never mind that. Finish, Gadget, or it's back to the old bad guy's retirement home for you.
What do you think I'm doing? Have some patience, Sonny. My electric chicken has never failed me.
That looks lovely. May I carve?
I was just going to ask you to do the honors.
Wowzers!
Uncle Gadget!
Good heavens!
Well, at least my watch is shockproof. Penny, Brain, Chief, what are you doing here?
Well, Uncle Gadget, we were just passing by.
No need to explain, Penny. I'll bet you and the Chief wanted to see my fan club.
You've solved another case. I don't know how you do it.
I owe everything to my fans, Chief. How about an autographed picture?